In this video, I'm going to show you the 7 steps that you need to take in order to find your niche on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 7 steps that you need to go through in order to find your niche on YouTube. To get access to all the additional resources that I mentioned in this video to help you choose your niche and help you grow your new YouTube channel, click the link in the description down below. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to give you access to a template that's going to give you an unfair advantage on YouTube. Step number 1, finding your why for your new YouTube channel. The first step in finding your niche, and the most important, is really understanding why you want to create a YouTube channel. If you understand your why, you can overcome any how. It doesn't matter what happens along the journey of starting and growing your YouTube channel. If you hold on to your strong why and you really have a deep understanding of why you want to create your YouTube channel, then it's going to be easy to overcome the obstacles that get in your way of success on YouTube. Don't ask what YouTube needs, ask what videos make you come alive. Go and make those videos because what YouTube needs is more creators who have come alive. So get out a pen and paper, and the first question I want you to answer is why you want to create your YouTube channel. Really define the reason and the driving force between why you want this channel. What is it going to do for you? What are you going to get from it? Fully understand that why and embrace it. So pause this video and write out why you want to start your new YouTube channel. Taking action during these 7 steps is so important. If you don't take action, you're not going to make progress. So pause this video right now and write down, either with a pen and paper or you can do it on your phone, what your why is for your new YouTube channel. Once you've written that down, let's get on to step number 2. Your why drives your passion. What are you most passionate about? What gets you up in the morning and gets you excited about life? Get out that pen and paper again and let's start writing down some of your passions. What do you do with your free time? What do you love to learn and read about? What do you love to talk about to your friends? These are some of your passions, and I want to really express yourself here. Don't hold back at all. Write down all your passions that you can think of. What do you do for fun? This is a great part of the exercise. So really go wild with it and get all of those passions onto pen and paper. Now that you have your why and your passions, let's get on to step number 3, which is finding some mentors that you can look up to when you're creating videos on YouTube. So start searching some of your passions and see what kind of creators are creating videos in the passions that you are interested in. I want you to find 4 or 5 mentors who are already successful in the way that you want to be successful on YouTube. They're creating the type and kind of videos that you want to create. Head over to their channels and have a look at some of their videos. Which of their videos are getting the most views? What cool playlists have they created on their channel for their viewers? This is going to give you an idea of some of the categories that we're going to look at for your niche. Looking at your mentors' YouTube homepages and some of their playlists, let's look at the categories and start writing down some categories that you want to consider for your YouTube channel. This is step number 4. Let's get a list of 4 to 5 categories that you want to focus creating videos on for your YouTube channel. The playlist of your mentors is going to be the best place for you to find some of these categories that you want to create videos for. Head into those playlists and have a look at which of those videos in the individual playlists are getting the most views. This is going to give you a good idea of what your future audience wants to watch on YouTube. On to step number 5, and we're going to start narrowing down your niche. I want you to pick a specific topic in one of the categories that you've written down. Now, it's really important when you're starting out on YouTube and choosing your niche that you don't choose a niche that's too broad. By choosing a niche that's too broad, you're going to have way too much competition for a new channel. So we want to narrow that focus so that you can create unique and specific content for a specific audience. So when someone comes onto YouTube and they see one of your videos, it feels like you have made that video specifically for that person. This is going to help you grow your new YouTube channel and help you get views when you're starting from zero. Now that you have your topic focus written down, we can move on to step number 6, which is defining a very specific problem that you can solve for your audience. Now, this is the most important step in narrowing down your audience. You really need to understand how you can help someone solve a specific problem. The best way for you to find a problem that you can solve is to look back at your experiences. What have you learned? What problems have you overcome? How can you share this knowledge and share your experience with your audience? This is going to line up with your passions. When you're passionate about something, you're going to spend time investing in it and reading and learning and doing that passion. So find one of your passions and drill it down to a specific problem that you can help other people solve on their journey. Just a reminder to keep taking action, and I want you writing down the answers to the questions that I'm giving you. So in step number 5, make sure that you're writing down the specific problem. I also have some additional resources that'll help guide you through these questions. If you want access to these additional resources, you can click the link down below, and then it'll help you go through the process of finding the right niche for your YouTube channel so that you can set yourself up for success. These additional resources are going to help you get true empathy for your audience. You really need to understand how they're feeling about their problem. What are they going through? What are they battling with? Once you have true empathy for your audience and the problem that they're suffering through, you can really help them on their journey solving their specific problem. Step number 7 is to write down your unique YouTube value proposition. What value are you going to deliver, and what kind of people do you want to deliver it to? So there are 2 parts to this question. Understanding the value that you're going to deliver in solving their problem. What are they going to get? What outcome or what result are they going to get once they've solved their problem? If it's starting a business and making money on the side, the value you're going to deliver is to teach people how they can actually make money in a side hustle. The next step is defining exactly who you are helping. What kind of people do you help? Do you help entrepreneurs? Do you help young people who have just finished studying? Define with clarity and detail your audience that you're going to help. In our additional resources, we have a great template that you can use in order to really nail down your unique YouTube value proposition. So don't forget to click that link below and get access to those additional resources to help you find your niche and start your YouTube channel on the right foot. Once you have your unique YouTube value proposition nailed down, I want you to comment below with your value proposition so that we can all have a look at it and understand what your YouTube channel is all about. So what's the next step? The next step is choosing an awesome name for your new YouTube channel. And we've created a video right here that you can watch that'll walk you through how to choose an awesome YouTube name that'll set you up for success. So click and watch that video right now. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.